So, what's up guys? This video is just to help anyone. I'll give you guys my personal opinion. If you guys are getting chickens. I made some videos before in the past. I made a reel about this, but I remembered, and I was looking on some chicken websites for buying chickens, that most websites make you buy 25 chickens is the minimum amount of chickens you can buy. So, that's okay. 25 chickens for some people is a lot of chickens, so they can't handle it. So 25 chickens usually is the average, though, that people usually have to get online. Unless you buy them at Tractor Supply, we only get 4. But I'm gonna suggest, if you are first getting into chickens, and you have to get that 25, I'm gonna suggest 3 chickens. You can do whatever mathematical equation you want, but don't ever get any chickens that lay white eggs unless they some kind of a rare breed that you can't pronounce, and try them. But usually white layers that lay white eggs. Chickens that lay white eggs are pains in the asses, really flighty, really get scared really easy, and they don't benefit your flock. But what I would suggest, if you have to get 25 chickens, is get 10 Rockies, so Plymouth Rocks, 10 Rhode Island Reds, and then get 5 green layers. Americanas is probably, in my opinion, the top ones, or the Easter eggers. And they have, of course, different ones that lay different color, like lighters or whatever. But those are the most common, and usually they're going to be around the same price, around that. Easter eggers are actually going to be a little bit more, so the Americanas are going to be all going to be around that $4 to $5 range per chicken. You might get them a little bit cheaper online. Tractor Supply, I think, was selling them this year for like $4.99 for most of the chickens. Before, years ago, it was $3.99 and $2.50 and stuff like that, but of course prices go up. But you can do the math and say, well, I want to do an even number, so do 8, 8, and then 8, and you have one extra one, and pick whatever one you want. Do an extra green one, so you can have 16 brown eggs per day on the high end, and approximately 9 green eggs on the high end every day. And it's going to fluctuate usually around, if you have 25 chickens, you're going to get around probably 18 to 20 eggs a day on average, and then some days you're going to get 25 every day, and then it's going to bounce down to only 10 to 12. So if you're just a family of 4, a normal little family, and you just want some eggs every now and then, and have your kids go out there and raise the chickens, help you, that's a good flock. And most places that I've ever ordered from, they usually send you 2 or 3 free chickens, like a special breed, and just some random, and usually there's a rooster or so. So it's pretty cool to order online. I've had good times, and I have had bad times order online. So it's usually 80 good and 20 bad. So it really depends where you order from. But that's just my opinion. If you buy from Tractor Supply, you only have to get 4. Do whatever you want. But Reds, Rockies, and them 2 are the top brown layers. And then Americana is the top green layer, in my personal opinion. Some people will disagree with me. I've seen this summer, and this summer, people have said that Rhode Island Reds they don't like. And I've seen lately they have been putting that IWO chicken up, or they call it the Red Star. I guess they changed the name of it. It's a good chicken. I have a few of them. Like, they are really good chickens. I had one that I had a couple of them before the fox attack a few years ago that was really friendly. And they are good chickens, but understand they're a half-breed. They're a mixed-up breed, so that's why they are friendly. And then the same thing, like a black Sussex is a really good chicken, but a black Sussex is literally a Rocky and a Red crossed, and they cross it a certain way, and that's makes that chicken, so that's why they're really friendly. So I have a good bit of, I have like 30 of babies of them, and then I have a couple of them that hatch myself that I'm pretty sure that are considered black Sussex, and they are all pretty friendly. Of course, they're babies, so if a couple of them turn out to be roosters, whatever, but they're friendly. Anyway, that's just my personal opinion. Take it how you want it. You guys have a great day.